This is part 5 of Auth0 tutorial. In this video, we will discuss how to choose SDK for a single-page application. You may find there are several SDKs, which is listed here, but for my application, which one should I choose? This is the comparison for the 4 SDKs for your single-page application. The Auth0-JS is the first released browser-based SDK. It is released at 2013. The Auth0-SPA-JS is released in 2019. It's designed for the use in single-page applications. Auth0-React is built on the top of Auth0-SPA-JS. It's designed for the use in React applications. Auth0-Angular is the same target with Auth0-React, but it aims at Angular application. Since Auth0-JS is the default SDK since Auth0 started its service, it is very powerful. It can handle a large number of different scenarios. When we should choose Auth0-JS? When you need to use embedded login instead of universal login, or you need to call the management API or authentication API. For Auth0-SPA-JS, compared with Auth0-JS, it has a much simpler interface. For developer, it requires less work to complete. Also, this SDK is using a more secure protocol. Auth0-SPA-JS using a smaller library, which means it reduces the build time compared with Auth0-JS. So when should we choose this SDK? When you are using universal login in a single-page application, you should choose this one. Auth0 encourages people migrate Auth0-JS to Auth0-SPA-JS for the reason we mentioned here. But all the features, functionalities for Auth0-JS will not be eliminated, so you're fine to use either one. Auth0-React is built on top of Auth0-SPA-JS. So the aiming of build this new SDK in last year because they want to simplify the interface. The functionality is the same with Auth0-SPA-JS, and it requires less code writing. Auth0-React combines better than general single-page SDK. For example, it provides customized hook and components. So if your application is written by React, this SDK is recommended. Auth0-Angular is designed specific for Angular applications. So the aim of this SDK is basically the same. The functionality is the same with Auth0-SPA-JS, and it also uses the best practice on security of authentication and authorization workflow. It requires less code writing, but one thing need to notice is that it's only compatible with version 9+ for Angular application. Therefore, if your application is an Angular application and the version is newer than 9, you can use Auth0-Angular recommended SDK for your application. If your application is React SDK is recommended. If your application is Angular and the version is compatible, Auth0-Angular SDK is recommended. But if your version is not compatible, Auth0-SPA-JS SDK is recommended. It's also recommended for Vue or JavaScript applications. In this tutorial, we discussed how to choose SDK for single-page applications. The reference is pasted here. I will also paste it in my description. In the next video, we will implement an Angular-based application with Auth0. Thank you for watching.